Hi, how to dynamic generate the last four Wednesday? Now suppose you have a list of date here and you want to just extract the last four Wednesday. What does mean last four? So given date is, for example here, the given date is on the July 1st. So last four Wednesday will be these three dates. So we want to dynamically uh, retrieve it. So 7 days before this date is this. So the formula is just really just take this times 7 to get the first uh, week before this date. So I can also use a Power Query to generate this. So what I do is that I change this to last four Wednesday. So Wednesday 0 is the Monday. So Wednesday would be 2 and it start from this date. So once done this, I can right click here and change refresh and it will give me the date. Let's double check is this correct. So it's 24 is right here, 70 is right here, 10 is here, and 30 is here. Exactly. So that is how I use Power Query to generate that list. So I will talk about this in my next video how to actually create this. Thanks for watching. This is the demo.